Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Effective Technical Communication. The subject code is 3130004 and let's start Effective Technical Communication, third sem. Unit 6, Self-Development and Assessment. This is the title of the Unit 6, Self-Development. Here we must be aware of what are the objectives to understand and apply the important principles of self-development. Also, to develop deep understanding of self-development factors and how do we improve. So these are the contents of Unit C. Look at number 1 is contents of Unit 6, change. To be able to grow with changing times and also bring about change in own lives and environment. Grow is also important. Learn the importance of change also. Understand why growth is important. Persist, to understand the importance of persistence and to be able to persist and learn about persistence. Prioritize, to imbibe the habits of reading, listening, learning and remembering and recording as thus instruments of success. So to understand the importance of prioritize, read, to be able to dream big and make that dream come true and read. Understand about keeping record, remember, think, communicate and relate. You learn. Develop the importance of listening and learning as soon as possible. Then your interest must be contained. Listen. Learn to dream big always and listen whatever you are going to tell. Record and remember, assess and think. Communicate, relate, dream. These are the contents of Unit 6. In this competitive world, it is very important. It is very difficult to stand out of crowd. To become successful, we have to develop special skills and qualities. Yeah, we must have to develop special skills and qualities. All human beings possess infinite potential. Here I would like we would discuss, but we don't work to our full potential due to various reasons. Also, if we don't make ourselves better than before, then our lives will become stagnant. So each and every person must have to be ready to change himself, to think, to learn day by day. To be successful in all spheres of life, we need to develop ourselves each day and do continuous assessment of where we are. So we have to develop special skills and qualities. This can only be achieved if we have willingness to learn new things, set new goals and work to attain those goals. All these things contribute to personal development. It is important in setting goals and moving towards achieving those goals. Self-development is a transformational, lifelong, continuous process. It is not a technique or tool, but rather a way of life. So in this chapter, very important element of self-development and assessment are discussed. Keeping the students and professionals in mind must necessary. They are all. So here, all these things contribute to self and personal development. When you decide to begin your own journey of self-development, you have taken first giant step towards the better future. So self-development is a transformational, lifelong, continuous process. It is not a technique or tool, but rather a way of life. It involves accepting responsibility in your life and taking conscious actions to improve it. So the importance of self-development is it grooms you as an individual and promotes self-growth. Let's discuss need for self-development and assessment. Need for self-development and assessment. Personal development. So, personal development is a process of self-education aimed at enhancing professional skills, quality of life, self-discipline. Talent is needed for your personal development also. This personal development is essential for becoming self-aware in terms of your values, beliefs, and the purpose you wish to pursue. Achieving sense of direction and be more clear on what you wish to achieve and how to make the decision making process easier. Being clear, as even with the improved sense of direction, there will always be multiple tasks looking for your attention. You become clear on your objectives and it will help you identify which task you will be able to justify in the best way with the required resources available. Motivating yourself would be easier for you by seeing the benefits of taking action if you know what you wish to achieve. Do the task which is felt to be not enjoyable. The benefits involved will make you feel more motivated also. Change. Here we are going to discuss about the first point is change. Change is hard in the beginning. Change is hard in the beginning. Change is hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. And gorgeous at the end, it is told by Ravin Sharma. We always look for stability, but the only thing that is constant in the world is change. It is very important for us to keep up with the change. We need to develop ourselves to become best today than yesterday. We all have a certain image which we might have formed subconsciously based on our experiences. But when we think a little deeply, most of the time we want that people must have a certain image of ourselves in our mind. This difference in both images is because the image we have created till now was subconscious, which might have been a result of resorting to our circumstances also. So in reality, we all want to be persons who are liked and appreciated by others and rewarded for our work. In reality, we all want to be a person who are liked and appreciated by others and rewarded by for our work also. We know that there are certain things in us like our habits or qualities which needs to be changed, and if we become successful in doing so, we can become better people with rewards coming our way. For example, if a student is not able to study regularly, he scores less than his actual potential and then regrets in the end. Only if I could have studied regularly. If the student has to work, here we have if a student is not able to study regularly, he scores less than his actual potential and then regrets in the end. Only if I could have studied regularly. Here the student has to work continuously on changing his habits with prioritization, time management, assessment, etc. So he must have be a person like where he has to be prioritize time management and assessment also. While ridding ourselves with bad habits, we must remember that it needs to be replaced with one good habit. Completely trying to get away a bad habit without replacing with another habit will take you nowhere. He has to introspect a lot and find out ways on how to go about it. So, a person has to become a introspect. Okay, how, uh, uh, what change I need it, and uh, like Robin Sharma said, change is hard in the beginning, but messy in the middle and gorgeous at the end. So we must have to be always changeable. If an organization doesn't change its way of working or keeps on giving the same type of product or service, then it will not survive in cutthroat competition. Uh, so, with the development of technology, change in the thinking of people, change in the overall environment, the companies must keep on updating their products, services, ways of dealing with customers, employees, policies, and strategies. So he has to be must be updating products, services, ways of dealing with the customers and employees, policies, strategies, etc. It it must adopt to new technologies and make the best use of it to improve their workings and always keep relevant with the time. Change is also important for a society as a whole. When an individual brings about a change in oneself, everything around also changes. Rather than complaining, we must always strive to bring about that change ourselves. And so Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see in the world. These are the 6 steps to bring about a change. Identify one thing that you need to change. We must accept and welcome changes in our lives in a positive manner. Change is inevitable in every sphere of life. For self-development and growth, we must adapt ourselves to the changes. Then we must prepare and learn according to changing needs. So embracing change is not difficult skill to learn. So identify one thing that you need to change. accept that you really need to change this one thing. Determine that you will do something to change. Identify the action points to bring about the change. Also, everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. So change is inevitable in every sphere of life. It is something that is bound to happen sooner or later, and if you are not well prepared, you will find it difficult to adjust. You take action. Change helps to grow. Change makes us flexible also. Change reveals our strength. Change makes us more compassionate. Change offers opportunities also. Persist till you succeed. You must also persist till you succeed. Thank you very much, dear all.